This course gives you perspective and insight like no other leadership course or book can give you.
At UQ Executive Education, we really try to get our participants to think and act differently. So we bring in leading experts that bring in perspectives from other industries, from research to help you do that. We also connect participants so they can learn from each other, working on projects to deliver not only impact for their organization, but also see the different perspectives in their own organization or beyond through other stakeholders.
So it was really good working on projects that applied to where I work. One of my areas was the trial group for the project that we were doing, so I could see the results in real time being applicable to the team.
This course has certainly given us a lot of tools and a lot of strategies. We're learning a much bigger sort of executive viewpoint so that we can actually take those tools and those mechanisms and apply them to our projects.
My favourite part is the networking across the organisation and seeing things from different perspectives, as well as the mentoring program. I found it really valuable. I have taken the learnings from the class and have brought it into my day-to-day work.
I have changed through attending this course because I now know that the lessons that I have learned need to be shared with others, and I'm actually really empowered because of the knowledge I have gained to share that with the broader team.
This course has honestly opened up all manner of opportunities for me. I've been given secondments and positions and opportunities that I would not have achieved without it.